وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي. Are you asking who Allah is? وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي. When my slaves ask you عَنِّي, when they ask you about me, whenever my slaves ask you about me, when you are asked about Allah, وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. I am close. They ask him, tell them I am close. I am closer to them. فإني قريب أجيب دعوة الداع إذا دعان. Who is crying? Who is asking for help? Where is the seeker? Where is the needy? Who is calling? Who is crying? أجيب دعوة الداع إذا دعان. I answer the call of the distress whenever he calls me, because I am Allah. فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْشُدُونَ. Ya Allah, Allah, I answer the call of the distress whenever he calls me, so let them call, I will answer. Ya Allah, you are Allah. We believe in you. We know you are the most powerful. You are the most gracious. You are the everlasting. You are the deathless. You are the ever-living, and you deserve to be worshipped. We call upon you alone. Ya Allah, take away the grief. Ya Allah, take away the sorrow. Ya Allah, you said we should call upon you, and alone we call. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this easy. He is Allah. He is Allah. So, if you know this and you understand this, say, Allahumma ya man ajaba Nuhan hina nada. Say, oh Allah, you are the one who respond to Nuh alayhi salam when he called. وَلَقَدْ نَادَانَا نُوحٌ فَلَنِعْمَ الْمُجِيبُ. You said, Ya Allah, in Surah Al-Safat, yes indeed, when Nuh alayhi salam called upon you, you were the best, you are the best to respond to his call, and you did answer his call. Ya Allah, we are here, we are calling. Allah, respond, answer our call. اللهم يا من أجاب نوحا حين نادى. See that? ويا من كشف الضر عن أيوب في بلوى. See that? Ya Allah, Ya Allah, you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you delivered, Ya Allah, you delivered Ayub from his distress. وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين. Say that because Ayub called upon him. Say that he will remove the sorrow and the grief, whatever it is. وَيَا مَنْ سَمِعَ يَعْقُوبَ فِي شَكْوَى. Say, oh Allah, you the one who listened, who heard Yaqub when he was in grief, when he was in sorrow, when he was crying, when he lost his two sons. Ya Allah, you heard him, you listened to him, you brought him back his children, his missing children. Ya Allah, I am calling upon you. Why? Because he said, إِنَّمَا أَشْكُو بَثِّي وَحُزْنِي إِلَى اللَّهِ. He said, I take my grief to whom? To Allah. My cry to Allah. He is the only one I'm calling. إِنَّمَا أَشْكُو بَثِّي وَحُزْنِي إِلَى اللَّهِ. Call him. Believe in him. Trust him. He will preserve you. He will protect you. He will make things easy for you because he is Allah. Innahullah. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, and see again. وَيَا مَنْ أَمَّنْتَ يُونُسَ فِي بَطْنِ الْحُوتِ Ya Allah, you are the one who secured, who protected Yunus in the belly of the fish. وَيَا مَنْ أَمَّنْتَ يُونُسَ فِي بَطْنِ الْحُوتِ. Why? لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. Say the dhikr. Say what Yunus alayhi salam said. Allah will protect you. فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم. Allah said, when Yunus said that, فَاسْتَجَبْنَا لَهُ, because I am Allah, I listened, I accepted and granted him his wish and his request. وَنَجَّيْنَاهُ مِنَ الْغَمِّ وَكَذَلِكَ, and I delivered him from the distress. وَكَذَلِكَ نُنْجِي الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. He said, same way he will deliver you from all your distress. May Allah deliver us. He is Allah. إِنَّهُ اللَّهُ وَكَذَلِكَ نُنْجِي الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. Musa, what happened? The river in front of him, sea in front of him, Fir'aun behind him. Where to go? Destruction and destruction. كلا إن معي ربي سيهدي. He said, no way, my Lord will deliver me, my Lord will guide me, my Lord will save me, he will make a way out for me. And he did. Why? Because he is Allah. كلا إن معي ربي سيهدين. Say, nail, with me, my Lord is with me and he will guide me. My Lord is with me, he will protect me. My Lord is with me, he will preserve me, because he is Allah. He is Allah.